Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a program not working or not opening in a Windows 10 or 11. So sometimes there is a bug, or maybe you have a sufficient RAM, or your CPU is old. Sometimes the app not responding when you try to open it, or there is a background activities like maybe there is a virus malware that makes your a system not working properly, not working normally. So there is some method that you can try. The first method is when you try to open the app, so you need to open the task manager here. Right click task manager and try to find the software that not responding. Usually when you try to double click the app or software that you want to open, the app will be in here, background processes. Even your app is freezing, or your app is not opening, but still on this background processes. Find your program and try to end the process. For example, let's try to here. You can end the process of Google Chrome by right click Google Chrome or right click your app and click on end task. So after you try to end the task, try to reopen the app or the games, for example. And next, if the games or the software doesn't want to open, it doesn't work, you can try to access settings and try to click on apps and click installed apps. Wait for a moment. Here you can try to find the software or the games that may be not responding. You can click on three dots here. If there is no repair or the modify is gray out, you cannot do anything about this. You cannot repair the app here. For example, some of Microsoft, mostly Microsoft app, you can do repair. For example, you can click three dot, click advanced options, and try to repair the app. This one, under the reset option, there is a repair. You can click it. So here, please, I recommend you to install the original software, not the pirates one, because the pirates one usually a lot of bugs, so it can affect your system. And don't forget to keep update about your Windows. You need to check for updates, and like security updates is a must to prevent any malware or malicious software that can attack, that can harm your system and make your software on your system is not responding. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.